Hello, good evening, good morning, maybe it's your night, good afternoon. Right, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Ebby once again. Today we're going to be cooking Chinese stir fry. I got mushroom here, soy sauce here, I got prawns here, got turkey here, I got spring onions here, and I got some beef here. Just a minute, I got bean shoot as well. One of the ingredients for the stir fry, and rice is cooking. Thank you again. Right, so cutting the beef now for our stir fry. Cutting the beef now for our stir fry. We cut the beef. We use red chopping board because of the red meat. For meat, we always use red. Yeah, for meat we always use red. That's why we need to know that as we are doing our cooking, even at home as well. We should get used to it of using color-coded chopping board. As I said to you before, it's good to do different kind of things, yeah? It's good to do different kind of things. Why just, some people use different things. Why just like to use beef? For my stir fry, I like to use beef. Some people use pork. Everybody have their preference. This is turkey. So we use chicken. Well, we just fancy turkey tonight. And the children said, "Oh, Dad, why not, give us turkey or chicken?" I said, "Fine." We went to the supermarket and just bought it. It's very tender as well. Can you see that it's very tender? Yeah. That's it. There's the mushroom. We just cut it. We slice it. And mushroom, when it get into the hot pan, you just go you just go down. There's plenty now, but by the time we cooked it, it just reduced to a little bit. That's what I'm talking about. It's going to be good veg as well. Most of these, the one I'm doing tonight, is going to be, it's going to be a lot of veg in it. And it's going to be filling as well. Well, it's there, isn't it? Cut in a rough way. friends, I'm going the rough way. You know, you can do it rough way, you can do it diced, but I don't want to do diced. Just want it rough way like this, because it will go along with the mushroom, right? Go along with the mushroom, go along with our beef here, with shrimps, with our bean shirts. We put this on it and put that on here as well, right? And we're done. We're doing the work now. You know, our meat now, right? To the stove now. Got soy sauce. Get it. Yes, we're back. That's the onion. That's the onion, spring onion, we call it, and it's the mushroom that I showed you last time. Soy sauce. Bean shirts with all the vegetables in it. Wow. A little bit of soy sauce again. I can smell it. It's looking nice around.